Hey everyone! I try to repair my car myself, so sometimes I run into situations where I can't loosen certain nuts. To make the process of loosening stubborn nuts easier, I found a special tool online called a nut splitter. The principle behind it is that you can break any nut using a cutting tooth. In the end, I decided to buy a set of 4 nut splitters of different sizes for various nuts. I want to note that it's an inexpensive Chinese set, but for me, the main thing is that it does its job. Next, I will test it. But first, let's see what's inside the box. In the set, I see 4 nut splitters ranging from 9 to 36 millimeters. So even the largest nut in a car can be broken loose with this nut splitter. The design of the nut splitter is very simple. It consists of a bolt and a cutting part. If you try hard enough, you could make such a tool yourself, for example, from a steering rod end. Now let's see how the nut splitter works. I put it on the nut and start tightening the bolt with a wrench, which will press the knife against the nut's edge and cut it. As you can see, the knife gradually pushes through the nut and it should crack any moment now. I heard a click, which means the nut has cracked. Look, you can see that the nut has split and now can be easily unscrewed. The tool is good. It performs its function. The only issue is that it might be hard to get to nuts in hard-to-reach places in the car. I hope the nut splitter will be useful to me in the future. See you in the next videos. Bye.